You will need P60 sandpaper and a sanding block. Take your piece of wood and put it in the vise by twisting the handle. Take your P60 sandpaper and wrap it around your sanding block. Begin to sand your piece of wood up and down until all your pencil marks have been removed. Sand all of your sides. You will need P60 sandpaper. Once you have sanded all sides of your piece of wood with your sandpaper, take your wood and put it in the vise with your two cuts facing the top. Take a small piece of wood and wrap it around with sandpaper. Use this sanding block to sand in the bits of wood that you have chiselled out. Sand until completely smooth. You will need glue. Your teacher will have this. Putting your piece of wood in the vise, take your glue and add a very small amount in the bits that you have chiselled out. You do not need to squeeze, the glue will simply fall out. Take your two shelves and place them into the two cuts that you have made. You may need to take a mallet and give it a little tap into place. Take the glue again and add a small amount to both ends of your shelves. Take your other piece of wood and make sure it's the correct way up so your two diagonal lines are at the same place. Place your wood into place and press down firmly. You can take your mallet and tap it into place. Open your vise fully and place your piece of wood inside. Tighten your vise until your piece of wood is nice and tight, and this will allow the glue to set overnight. Take a paper towel and wipe away all the glue that pours out the top.